Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S25 Ultra last week, and as expected, the Ultra variant continues to be one of the most impressive flagship phones each year. With numerous new software and AI features, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to maintain that reputation. While I do have one major concern that could affect my final verdict, everything else so far looks promising. Before we dive in, here's a quick reminder. Pre-orders for the S25 lineup are closing soon. If you've been thinking about grabbing one, now's the perfect time. Samsung is offering up to $900 in trade-in value, $350 in free credit for storage upgrades, and even a free pair of Buds 3 Pro. Links are down below. One of the most noticeable design changes this year is the shift to rounded corners, aligning the S25 Ultra's look with the standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models. While this makes sense from a design perspective, I do miss the signature sharp corners reminiscent of the Galaxy Note series. The black camera rings give the phone a professional look, though only the 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor differs from the Galaxy S24 Ultra setup. One Galaxy AI feature that already stands out is Now Brief, which consolidates information from various apps into a single, easily accessible widget. By default, it appears on the home screen but can also be found in the Edge panel or on the lock screen when there's an update. Even in its current form, having quick access to weather updates and daily events is useful. But I'm eager to see it evolve to suggest automated routines and highlight saved tickets or coupons from Samsung Wallet. Samsung continues to dominate in display technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. Early tests show its 6.9-inch screen is significantly brighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With a larger display area and slimmer bezels, content looks even better, and the ProScaler system helps optimize lower resolution content for the QHD panel. But the anti-glare coating has already made a noticeable difference. Improving visibility under bright lights, something I wish more phones had. Unlike some competitors, Samsung launched its latest software alongside the Galaxy S25 series, ensuring that all its new features are ready to use from day one. While Apple's iPhone 16 lineup came with iOS 18 pre-installed, Apple Intelligence was introduced later. Samsung's approach means users can explore the full experience immediately without waiting for additional updates. One UI 7 brings a refreshed design that borrows some elements from iOS while retaining Samsung's distinct aesthetic. I'm glad that Samsung is still including an S Pen with the Ultra model, and while it's unfortunate to see some features removed, I don't really miss Air Actions from the S24 Ultra. I rarely use them beyond initial testing, so as long as the stylus remains part of the Ultra series and stays housed within the phone, I'm satisfied. We have got some real-life battery numbers of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The results was shocking. Not only one, we have two test results. So watch the video till the end. A fellow YouTuber named ZTechCare did a test to see which phone has the best battery life. He tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Vivo X200 Pro, and Magic 7 Pro. In this test, no SIM cards was used, only Wi-Fi used during the whole test. The results was shocking. Galaxy S25 Ultra died first at 10 hours 58 minutes. Honor Magic 7 Pro survived for 11 hours 8 minutes, holding on to its final 1% exceptionally well. Vivo X200 Pro reached 11 hours 15 minutes. iPhone 16 Pro Max winner lasting 11 hours 30 minutes. By the way, full video link is in description. Must check out. What do you think about these battery numbers? Also, don't forget to check out the exclusive Galaxy S25 series discount mentioned in the description. Now let's talk about the second test results. A fellow YouTuber named Matt Talks Tech did a test to see which phone has the best battery life. He tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. In his performance test, the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines in single-core performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra leads in multi-core performance, making it the top choice for power users and resource-intensive applications. In battery life and charging test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra holds onto 1% more battery than the iPhone after extended use, highlighting its superior battery optimization. It also charges from 20% to 40% slightly faster than the iPhone, thanks to its advanced fast charging technology. He did so many tests you can check his video. Link is in description. Must check out. $1,300 price tag remains a tough pill to swallow. Competing flagships like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL are available for $100, $200 less. Perhaps the S25 Ultra's feature set justifies the premium price, and my opinion might change as I use it more. But at this price point, convincing buyers to pick this over its rivals may be challenging. Pre-orders for the S25 lineup are closing soon. If you've been thinking about grabbing one, now's the perfect time. Samsung is offering up to $900 in trade-in value, $350 in free credit for storage upgrades, and even a free pair of Buds 3 Pro. Links are down below. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.